All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 13, organic nitrogen compounds, types and naming and preparation of amines like Gabriel Thalamide synthesis and Hoffman degradation method. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. First one is a amine. What is amine? Amine is a derivatives of ammonia. Next one is a classification of amine. Amines is classified into three types. First one is a primary amine. In ammonia, one of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. We get primary amine. Next one is a secondary amine. In ammonia, two hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. We get secondary amine. Next one is a tertiary amine. In ammonia, three hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. We get tertiary amine. Primary amine. General formula for primary amine is RNH2, or may be alkyl or aryl group. General formula for secondary amine is R2NH. General formula for tertiary amine is R3N. R may be alkyl or aryl group. Primary amine. Example for primary amine is aliphatic primary amine CH3NH2. Aromatic primary amine C6H5NH2. Example for aromatic primary amine is C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. CH3NH2 is a methylamine. Secondary amine classified into two types. One is a simple and second one is a mixed. In simple, secondary amine is classified into two types, simple and mixed. In simple, two alkyl groups are same are called as a simple secondary amine. Example for aliphatic simple amine is CH3 twice NH. Aromatic secondary amine C6H5 twice NH. Next one is a mixed. Two alkyl groups are different are called as a mixed. Example ethyl methyl amine. Example for aromatic mixed secondary amine is C6H5 CH3NH. Tertiary amine is classified into two types. First one is a simple, second one is a mixed. Aliphatic simple tertiary amine. Example for aliphatic tertiary simple amine is CH3 thrice N. Name of this compound is trimethylamine. Example for aromatic tertiary amine is C6H5 thrice N. Name of this compound is triphenylamine. A tertiary amine is classified into two types. First one is a simple and second one is a mixed. In tertiary amine, three alkyl groups are same are called as a simple tertiary amine. Tertiary amine, three alkyl group are different are called as a mixed tertiary amine. IUPAC naming of amines. NH3 is a ammonia. In ammonia, one of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. We get primary amine or NH2. This is primary amine. In ammonia, two hydrogen is replaced by 2R group. We get R2NH. This is secondary amine. General formula for secondary amine is R2NH. If ammonia, 3 hydrogen is replaced by 3 alkyl group, we get R3N. R3N is a general formula for tertiary amine. CH3NH2 is a primary amine. Example for primary amine CH3NH2. The CH3 is a methyl group. So common name of this compound is methylamine. Second one, CH3CH2 is a ethyl group. So ethylamine. Third one, CH3CH2CH2. This is N-propyl group. So N-propyl amine. This is CH3CH3 is a isopropyl group. So name of this compound is isopropyl amine. These four examples are example for primary amine. In ammonia, one of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group is called as a primary amine. Next one is a IUPAC naming CH3NH2. Only one carbon is present. So methane amine. Methane amine. Second one, CH3CH2, 2 carbon is present. So ethane amine. Third one, 3 carbon is present. 1, 2, 3. So propanamine. Propane amine. Isopropylamine 1, 2, 3. So name of this compound is propane 2-amine. Propane 2-amine is IUPAC name of isopropylamine. Next one, C6H5CH2NH2. C6H5CH2 is a benzyl group. So common name of this compound is benzylamine. Benzylamine. IUPAC name of this compound is, this is phenyl group. Phenyl remain one carbon is present, so phenyl methanamine. Phenyl methane amine. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples are example for primary amine. Next one is a secondary amine. In ammonia, 2 hydrogen is replaced by 2 alkyl group, we get secondary amine. Example CH3, NHCH3. CH3 is a methyl group, 2 methyl group is present, so common name of this compound is dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. IUPAC name of this compound is, one of the methyl group present in one nitrogen, so N-methyl methane amine is IUPAC name of dimethylamine. Example for secondary amine, this is methyl group, this is isopropyl group, so name of this compound, 2 different alkyl group is present, so common name of this compound is, according to alphabetical order, isopropyl methylamine is general common name of this compound. IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl. IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl. 3 carbon is present, so propane 2-amine. Next one, this is example for tertiary amine. In ammonia, this is ammonia, 3 hydrogen is replaced by 3 alkyl group is called as a tertiary amine. This is example for tertiary amine. Nitrogen 1 methyl, 1 ethyl, 1 isopropyl group is present. That means 3 different alkyl group is present, methyl, ethyl, isopropyl group. So according to alphabetical order, common name of this compound is ethyl methyl isopropylamine. Ethyl methyl isopropylamine is a common name of this compound. Ethyl methyl isopropylamine. Amine is common name of this compound. Next one is IUPAC name. Nitrogen 1 methyl group, 1 ethyl group is present, 1, 2, 3. Second position is amine position. So IUPAC name of this compound is N-ethyl, N-methyl. 3 carbon is present, so propane. Second position is functional group, so 2-amine is IUPAC name of this compound. N-ethyl, N-methyl, propane 2-amine is a IUPAC name of this compound. Next one, common name of this compound is dimethylanilene. Common name of this compound is dimethylanilene. IUPAC name of this compound is N, dimethyl benzenamine. N, dimethyl. This is benzenamine. Next one, C6H5CH2NHCH3. This is example for secondary amine. This is example for tertiary amine. Common name of this compound is N-methyl benzylamine. N-methyl benzylamine. IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl phenylmethanamine. N-methyl phenylmethanamine. N-methyl phenylmethanamine This is phenyl. One carbon is present. N-methyl phenyl methanamine. Preparation of amines. First method, Mendes reaction. When alkyl cyanides reduced with sodium ethanol to form a primary amine. This reaction is called as a Mendes reaction. Example for alkyl cyanide, CH3 CN. This is methyl cyanide reduced with sodium ethanol mixture to form a ethylamine, CH3 CH2 NH2. This reaction is called as a Mendes reaction. Name of this compound is ethylamine. CH3CN is methyl cyanide. Preparation of amine. First method, Mendes reaction. When alkyl cyanide is reduced with a mixture of sodium ethanol mixture to form a primary amine. This reaction is called as a Mendes reaction. When methyl cyanide react with sodium in the presence of ethanol mixture to form a ethylamine. This reaction is called as a Mendes reaction. Next one is a Hofmann degradation reaction. Hofmann degradation reaction. When amide RCO NH2 is a amide react with bromine water and potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine. This reaction is called as a Hofmann's degradation reaction. When amide react with bromine water in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine, this reaction is called as a Hofmann degradation reaction. Example, CH3CONH2. This is acetamide react with bromine water in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form a methylamine. CH3NH2 is a methylamine. Next one example, C6H5CONH2. Name of this compound is benzamide. React with bromine water in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form a C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. Hofmann degradation method. When amide react with bromine water and potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine. This reaction is called as a Hofmann degradation reaction. Next one is a Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. This is very important naming reaction. Repeated question. When this is thallimide react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form a potassium thalate. This is potassium thalate. React with alkyl halide, undergo SN2 reaction to form a N-alkyl thallimide. This is N-alkyl thallimide. This is N-alkyl thallimide. This undergo hydrolysis with aqueous potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine. RNH2 is a primary amine and potassium thalate formation takes place. This is potassium thalate. This reaction is called as a Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. This is very important naming reaction. When thallimide react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form a potassium thalate, this one react with alkyl halide, undergo SN2 reaction to form a N-alkyl thallimide. This undergo hydrolysis with aqueous potassium hydroxide to form a primary amine. RNH2 is a primary amine. This reaction is called as a Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. Next method, preparation of amine by Sebastian-Mailly method. When vapor of alcohol and ammonia are passed over alumina to form a all types of amine. This reaction is called as a Sebastian-Mailly method. When ethanol react with ammonia, C2H5OH is ethanol, react with ammonia. First step, ammonia in the presence of Al2O3, alumina, to form a primary amine, CH3 CH2 NH2. First step is a formation of primary amine. This one react with another moles of ethanol C2H5OH. Water elimination takes place to form a secondary amine CH3 CH2 twice NH. Name of this compound is diethylamine. This one react with another moles of ethanol C2H5OH. Water elimination takes place to form a tertiary amine C2H5 thrice N. Name of this compound is triethylamine. Triethylamine. This reaction is called as a Sebastier-Mealy method. When a vapor of alcohol and ammonia are passed over alumina to form all types of amine. Example, this is ethanol, ethyl alcohol react with ammonia in the presence of alumina. First step is a formation of primary amine. Name of this compound is ethylamine. ETH5 ethylamine. This primary amine react with ethanol to form a diethylamine is a secondary amine. This one react with another moles of ethanol to form a triethylamine. Triethylamine is a example for tertiary amine. Ethylamine is a example for primary amine. This reaction is called as a Sebastier-Mealy method. Next one is a Hofmann's aminolysis method. When alkyl halide or benzyl halides are heated with ammonia to form a all types of amine. This reaction is called as a Hofmann's aminolysis method. First step, CH3Br is a methyl bromide. React with ammonia to form a first step is a formation of primary amine CH3NH2. This is primary amine. Name of this compound is methylamine. This one react with another moles of methyl bromide to form a secondary amine CH3 twice NH. Name of this compound is dimethylamine. This one react with another moles of methyl bromide to form a tertiary amine CH3 thrice N. This is trimethylamine. Methylamine is a primary amine. Dimethylamine is a secondary amine. Trimethylamine is a tertiary amine. This one react with another moles of methyl bromide to form a quaternary ammonium salts CH3 4N plus Br minus. This is a quaternary ammonium salt. This reaction is called as a Hofmann's aminolysis method. Preparation of amine from nitro compounds. RNO2 is a nitro compound. Nitro compound is reduced into primary amine. RNH2 is a primary amine. RNO2 is a nitro compound. Nitro compound using suitable reducing agent to form a primary amine. H2 bar Ni or Sn bar HCl or PD bar H2 act as a reducing agent. We using suitable reducing agent. Nitro compound is reduced into primary amine. Example, CH3 CH2NO2. First example, CH3 CH2NO2 is reduced into ethylamine CH3 CH2NH2. Name of this compound is ethylamine. Next one, C6H5NO2. Name of this compound is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is reduced into aniline C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. H2 bar Ni, Sn bar HCl or PD bar H2 act as a reducing agent. We using suitable reducing agent. Nitro compound is reduced into primary amine. Preparation of amine from nitrile. H2 bar Ni or lithium aluminum hydride H4 and Na bar ethanol C2H5OH act as a reducing agent. We using the suitable reducing agent. H2 bar Ni or lithium aluminum hydride or a mixture of Na and ethanol act as a reducing agent. Cyanide gives a primary amine and isocyanide gives a secondary amine. Example for cyanide is a CH3CN methyl cyanide is reduced into ethylamine CH3 CH2 NH2 using suitable reducing agent. That means sodium mercury bar ethanol act as a reducing agent. Methyl cyanide is reduced into ethylamine. Example for isocyanide CH3NC is a methyl isocyanide using suitable reducing agent reduced into secondary amine CH3NH CH3. Name of this compound is dimethylamine. Cyanide gives primary amine. Isocyanide gives a secondary amine using a a mixture of NaHG and ethanol C2H5OH act as a reducing agent. From next one, from amide, RCONH2 is a amide is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to form a primary amine. Amide is converted into primary amine RCH2NH2. RCONH2 is a general formula for amide. One specific example, CH3CONH2. This is acetamide undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form a CH3CH2NH2. Name of this compound is ethylamine. Next method, from alkyl halide. First step is a alkyl halide react with sodium acid to form a alkyl acid. This one undergo reduction to form a primary amine CH3. Example, CH3Br react with sodium acid NaN3 to form a first step is a formation of alkyl acid CH3N3. This undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form a primary amine CH3NH2. Name of this compound is methylamine. Next one example, CH3 CH2Br is a ethyl bromide NaN3 to form a ethyl acid CH3 CH2N3 ethyl acid. This undergo lithium aluminum hydride to reduction to form a ethylamine CH3 CH2NH2 is a ethylamine. Last method, from hydroxy compound. When phenol C6H5OH is a phenol is react with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius, phenol is converted into aniline C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. This is phenol. Phenol react with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius. Phenol is converted into aniline.